Okay, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna do is open, I wanna see, I'm really curious about what the microphone look like first. Let's open that first. I'm so excited. Dang. Oh well. Okay, you just rip it open, it's just what it is. I swear, getting white stuff, I swear you've gotta be careful. It's like, you don't wanna, oh, well. Okay, hold on, y'all. This thing is heavy, heavy. Let me get the instructions. That's not. So this is what it comes in, guys. And let me, okay, there we go. Set the light here. This is a big microphone. So first, we have the setup instructions. We have the charger and to what it connects to, so you can hear it. Instructions, and we have the microphone. Oh, it's so heavy. By the way, this is it. This is so heavy. Wow, it's so nice. So this is how it came. Y'all, it's upside down right now. Let me show y'all so y'all can see the light before I take it out. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Wow, look at this. It's so pretty. Okay, I don't want to stain this, so I'm gonna just push it up with this thing. There we go. And we have the microphone. Y'all, absolutely beautiful. It's so nice. It's like so clean. White is such a good choice. The black ones are nice too, but the white. And like I said, this is the biggest one they have. They also got them in pink, but I didn't want pink. I was like, that would have been cute with like, but it wouldn't go with the aesthetic. But this is absolutely so heavy. It's so heavy. So now we're gonna unbox the arm. Okay, y'all, now I'm about to unbox the arm. Oh, and it's white. Thank God they didn't mess it up. And by the way, I will leave the link in the description where I got these products, like the exact products. And I'm gonna have to put all this together. This is just the thing you screw onto your desk. My mom has I know how to do this because I put hers y'all Roman, yeah, I know him. I put her she has the arms on her monitor, which I wanted them, but I don't know because it saves some space. But I don't know. And this is it. Okay, and I got more nails down here. Let me not mix this stuff up because I'm going to have to put this together first. So, this is it. I wonder if it, like, are these big enough, y'all? Like, is this one big enough? Oh, yeah. Or is it? Well, yeah. It should be. Yeah, I was like, I don't know. It should be okay. I'm literally right here, so yeah, I think this is perfectly fine, especially with the with the microphone, because this you screw it on this part and it's gonna be. Oh yeah, this is perfectly fine. I was like kind of getting paranoid a little bit, y'all. So yeah, let's just try to put it together. I'm gonna place the camera behind me so y'all can see it because I'm also doing a TikTok, like I said. So I'm gonna just have the cameras going, okay? So if I talk, I'm gonna talk. Okay, guys, so I don't even know if I misplaced them or they just didn't come with it, but it looks so simple. So we're first gonna twist this down. And it's going to actually the other way, and it's going to take, so yeah. It's all you're doing is tighten this up there, and then you're going to put this through here, and then attach to the microphone. This actually seems so simple, more simple than I was making it, because I feel like it was going to be harder. So let me see. And then, but you do want to make sure you where you're going to put it. Now my table isn't that thick, so I still need to go down some more. I don't have a thick block on here, but also if you want a good white desk, I can also leave my desk in the description. It holds a lot of weight, so that's good. I think I'm almost up. Okay, I'm gonna do a little more. I want my microphone kind of like right here, because oh dang, I'm gonna have to scoot this over. Actually, I do not. It is actually perfect. So I am going to set. I think I want it right here. I think this is good because then this will be on here, and then I would tighten that down, and then I can move it all because I might scoot it over later. But I think this is a good spot because I do my own reason why, y'all, because I got my monitor right here and I look at it while I'm talking when I got cases on there I'm talking about. So I'm thinking this might be a good spot, or like I think I'm gonna do this one a little bit closer. And you really gotta tighten it, so yeah. Yeah, it's definitely the other part. Definitely gonna be this part, because the other one looked like it's, yeah, it's this one. There we go. God dang it, I screwed that out. So it looks sturdy, but like I feel like this is not right. Cause like, hold on. Okay, that might actually be it. Oh, I think I got it, y'all. Okay, so I think I am right, y'all. I have to take I took it apart because at first I thought these were supposed to like tighten it, but these are just with like the to do the cables. But I don't know what this goes to. Even when I go online, look at the instructions. It's like a picture, show you everything. None of them have this. I don't know what this is. We're gonna try this again because this is the way. I guess they stuff was throwing me out because I have like all white and theirs like white and black. So I accidentally recorded. I had to restart y'all because I didn't have a microphone on this camera, so you couldn't hear me. So this is what it looks like. And this part is still bothering me because I'm like, I guess it's normal. They were just holding it and pushing it back. But this is how I got this tightened because I was trying to mess with it. And this is what the camera looks like. This is actually so nice, y'all. I feel like I will have to constantly. Okay, it's not that bad. And I think because he was holding it, and this is actually perfect. I need it just like this. When I turn it, I'm gonna have to. Okay. Also, make sure you twist it all the way tight. But I'm so excited now. I gotta set this bad boy up. Okay, y'all. So now I'm about to set this up. I got the USB cord, and I believe this goes into the computer and something else. It goes into the mic because I got a USB, and I don't know if this goes into my camera or goes, and I don't know where it goes. I think it goes in. Let me see. Wait, y'all. I swear I'm horrible with instructions. Let me see. Okay, here we go. A lot of instructions. Oh, right here. So this goes into the computer, and then it goes into the headphone jack. So I'm guessing that goes to my camera because I don't have headphones. So what the heck? Hey guys, so I have officially finished this setup and I got so much to tell you guys. It is, by the way, it is the next day. I ended up having to wait overnight. I had to make a trip to Target and Walmart. So I'm gonna tell you all about that and what I had to give you guys some tips if you get this microphone. Also, what they don't tell you is stuff you will need that do not come in the box. So let's just start. So I set this up last night, and by the way, I got both of these products from Amazon. The arm, I'm gonna leave everything in the description, but I believe the arm was like $18, and the microphone itself was $91, and I think they're normally like $129, but I got them on Amazon for cheaper. So it's like, save your money if you can. And this is the biggest one. They have the smaller ones too. I just like the way this one looks. So let me tell you guys, when I opened this and I was trying to do the arm, I still feel weird about that one little part, but it's been working good. And this is, like I said, this is a microphone, and it's like, it's not a problem. It's not wiggly. It's nothing wrong with it. You obviously don't need the arm if you don't want it. This is just like how I talk on the camera. It's good because I can't sit on my, I can't be on my desk because the microphone, I have no room. And also I can't record and be like sitting all on my desk talking, even though it reaches like far sound. So you really don't have to be too close to like talking it. So it's possible, but I like the arm because I could be right here and still talking and still like loud. And I was still playing around with the, I'm still like messing with it, the sound, and trying to get it perfectly. Also, I'm trying to fix all that. Okay, so when I screwed this in, everything, like, it was no problem with this. Tell me why, y'all. I had to look it up because I was like, how am I supposed to play the sound? So I'm gonna also do another video doing a tutorial on how to set this up too the right way, because I feel like every video I saw, they kept using Mac. Okay, look, I don't have a Mac computer. Nobody was using Windows. I was like, okay, what's all these components everybody plugging in? Because they had like this box thing because Mac don't have all those plugins that they have like on the back of my PC. So they needed the little box thing, and I was like, okay, how do I use it on the PC? And everybody was doing the Mac, so it was really getting on my nerves. So I ended up figuring it out. And all you do, you just plug it in because it comes with an HDMI. That's the only thing it comes with. You plug it into your port at the bottom of the mic, and then you plug it into your any HDMI cord on the PC. Now, let me tell you guys, I was thinking that this was going to work immediately. It did not. I didn't hear anything. I was like, okay, first of all, I tested it out. I did a voice test, and I was talking into the mic, and you hear it. Well, it said you could hear it moving. So I'm like, okay, so it's connected to my computer, to my monitor, but you did not hear no sound. So I was like, okay, I was trying all night watching videos, and I kept seeing everybody plug it to the aux cord. I'm like, it didn't come with an aux cord, and it didn't say you need an aux cord, but let me tell you guys something. You need an aux cord for this. So if you ever order one, like one of these microphones, always get an aux cord. And it's weird because I looked it up and they said you can use it without it, but you cannot. You have to plug this into your microphone if you're using like your microphone port on your on your camera, or you can also plug it into your the phone jack, your earphone jack on your PC. So you just have to plug it into one of those, and it's no problem. And I'm also going to give you guys another tip that I found out recently, actually just like a couple minutes ago, doing this because I was trying to figure out how to something was stressing me out. But now it's working perfectly after I got this. Now I'm going to tell you guys which one I got. I went to Walmart. First I went to Target because you would need a 3.5, I think it's a 3.5 millimeter. 3.5 millimeter aux cable. I recommend the Groove, this one. And y'all, minus the nails, I got blue hair dye on my hands because I was putting this mousse on my hair. So I got this from Walmart because Target did not have them. All their stuff was gone, and I don't think they just have them. I got the 12 inches because it's long, and the microphone itself comes with like cable ties to hold the cables, and that's what I got tied up down here. So it's not like so much like cord because it says 12 inches. They also have 8, and I think they have 4. I recommend getting the long one just in case, because let's say you're recording or like podcasting further away from your computer or just like across the room. It's nice to have the long cable. So I recommend this one. And like I said, I think it was $11 at it was $11 at Walmart. I also recommend, which I'm not using right now until I get like a guest or something and we put headphones in, I recommend the Groove on the it's the same thing, it's just another splitter. This is so you can, and let's say this one mess up, you can get another one and plug this one in and plug it into this one. It's always good to have an extra one, okay? And this was $4 at Walmart. So if this is also good when you have other headphones, when you're going to start plugging it in. Definitely recommend these. And I'm not using this right now, but this is the one you want, 8 or 12 inches, okay? Just better to do those so you have more room and you can move around. So I set all this up and now it's working fine. Y'all, it took me a while. I was trying to mess with it and get the sound right, but I don't like, you can hear my PC so loud. So I'm definitely thinking we're going to get headphones, and also got to clean that out because I think it said it's dust in it maybe, but I don't like that I hear my PC and it's stressing me out. But I did do a little test. It's not too bad because I'm still learning about this, and I'm like, I just got it, so it's gonna take a while for me to try to get this. I do want to give you guys a good tip if you're looking for a good microphone. I recommend, if you still want one, I recommend the Rode. This is the other one I was using. This was on the top part of my camera. I got this from Best Buy. And let me turn it off. I ain't trying to waste that battery. And all you do is plug this in, and you just plug it into your camera, and then you can it's so simple, y'all, and it just tightens over here. It's a good microphone when you're definitely vlogging and stuff. I had this microphone forever, and I'm still gonna be using it. It's such a good one. I definitely recommend it. And all that good stuff. But y'all, I'm so excited. I woke up and I was like, I still got stuff to do. Oh my God. I was like, this sort of stressed me out trying to fix this, but it really didn't. It was actually a really quick fix, and just like plugging it in and messing around with it. So I am happy I finally got it, because I've been wanting a microphone for the longest. I'm like, I want people to hear me clearer. And like I said, I'm still fixing it. So if you don't hear me that clear, just know I'm still fixing it, but I wanted to go and upload this video. So yeah, I ended up, the videos, y'all, I don't know why everybody only shows on Mac. I'm definitely going to do a setup how to do it on a PC and a regular Windows computer, because I'm like, they don't tell, I just kept seeing those boxes, and I'm like, you don't need those if you got a PC. You don't need those. That's only for Mac because they have like no ports. So that's what was like annoying me the most. But I'm really excited that I got this microphone, because now I can officially plan to start this podcast, y'all. I'll probably put my picture, my taking out the name of it on my community board soon. But I'm super excited, and I wanted to show you guys, like I show a little bit about how I set the camera up and my little arm. But like I said, I will leave everything in the description below of where I got it from. And I definitely, y'all, I swear, I definitely recommend those aux cords. They're really good. And also remember, you will need an aux cord. So if you're thinking about getting this, and I don't think they even have a wireless one. If you're thinking about getting this, you still have to plug in and stuff. And I thought it was wireless. That's why I was happy. But it's also not easy to like pair stuff with my camera. I'm still learning about the whole camera. Yeah, I know how to do like 3 functions on here. It's crazy. I literally just know how to record and take pictures. But it's like, that's all I needed it for. But I got a mic because I wanted to do a podcast. I wanted to talk more. I wanted you guys to hear me more. And it's just better without hearing like too much because it can take sound away. And I also got the mic coverings that'll help the voice so you don't hear static or nothing. I got those coming today, so I'm super excited about that. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's y'all will hear about my hair color in my next video because I'm going to talk about it at the beginning of the crop video. So I will let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you lovely people on the next video. Bye.